Is education becoming an option for only few in the country? Now, this is a very important topic of discussion that we must consider, because is good education a luxury? A video went on which talked about the fees structure from one of the private schools in one of the parts of the country, and this talked about a fees structure of somewhere around 2.5 lakhs, including transport and other things, accumulating to nearly 4.5 lakhs a year, and that is only for grade 1. Now, as a child proceeds from grade 1 to grade 10 or 12 with such a fees structure, it is expected that the parent would spend nearly 1 to 1.2 crores on even a basic education, which is the right under a constitution. Now, when this is the structure of education, we are even not sure that with such high fees whether a student is getting a quality education. At many places, the students would face lack of faculty, there would be lack of qualified teachers, even the syllabus had been reduced by NCERT, so you do not have ample to teach. But despite of this, the middle class lands up nowhere with an option to pay this fees. And those who want to exempt it have another scenario on the other hand, and that scenario talks about enrolling a child with a dummy school and paying the tuition fees for coaching institutes where they could get a coaching for medical or engineering entrance exams, which would cost somewhere around 1 to 1.5 lakhs. But again, this becomes a relatively less expensive option at the cost of the expensive schools. But again, there is no discipline, there is no security that you can actually ensure for your child, and there is no well qualified faculty in the terms of having a formal qualification for teaching, understanding child pedagogy and behavioral aspects of a child. So either ways, the parents are being trapped. They don't know which option to avail for, but both of the options, they feel that they are being charged like anything, and ultimate product and the quality of the education is far less than what they used to believe that they witnessed, with reducing discipline, reducing the qualities and reducing the cultural values. So it's really important to understand and bring a change in the education system and ensure that education, which is a fundamental right of a child, should not become an oligarchy. Thanks for joining in, and definitely we'll be bringing many such videos and awareness sessions. Thank you.